How to remove a post on LinkedIn. Start by opening the LinkedIn application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Go to your profile from here. Scroll down to the activity section and tap on Show All Posts. Here, you can view all your posts on LinkedIn. If you want to delete any post from here, then go over to that post. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post. Select Delete Post. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this post. Following these steps, you can easily remove a post on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.